Hi guys, a couple of months back I started this company called Just Video Labs, which was an R&D vertical of my media production company Just Video Studio, and we decided to start offering generative AI and metaverse consulting and services to companies. We were quick to realize that if we need to scale, we need to bridge the talent gap in the market. The way our current education systems are structured is that the arts guy is going to arts, the engineering guy is going to engineering, and they usually never interact with each other. That's a huge problem in this new world of AI and metaverse. A graphic designer, video editor, filmmaker, programmer, engineer, or interior designer cannot be sticking to just their own fields. They need to operate at the intersection of all the above fields. Which is why we have identified a few tools everyone needs to understand to operate at the intersection of these fields. And one of those tools is called Unreal Engine. Now, Unreal Engine is popularly known as a game engine that game developers use to make games, but also filmmakers and visual effects artists use for filmmaking and pre-visualization. The new update also features the ability to make motion graphics, and you can even model and simulate worlds to understand its physics. Learning Unreal Engine is also a good introduction to programming by using something called blueprints instead of writing code. All of the above skills are best taught in a game development course. The upside of this is, of course, you get to kickstart your career directly into the massive gaming industry, while also having the option to explore careers in other fields by adding skill sets in your arsenal. In fact, even Elon Musk has said that we actually hire a lot of our best software engineers out of the gaming industry. I assume games will become the future of education because they are just so much fun to follow along with. This course is about hands-on teaching you how to make full-fledged, complex 3D games the likes of GTA. What's more interesting is that the same technology used to make these games is also used to make digital experiences ranging from architecture to AR and VR experiences. And with things like the Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest 3 already out and creating buzz, it's better to be here, building for the metaverse than to be in the old world. We are bringing to you a beginner-friendly 3-month-long course that will immediately put you in a position to kickstart your career in this industry. For this, I have got industry experts from Infinity Head Studios to be your teachers and mentors to guide you on how you can break into the industry and learn the best industry practices. Now, because this is our first offering of a course on this platform, I am personally going to be extremely involved in making sure each one of you derives value from this course. The mentors and the community, and for those who want jobs post this, we will assist you in getting a job or making additional course offerings for the positions you like so that you can get the job you really want to do. We'll be creating self-paced, pre-recorded classes for you which will allow you to learn the material when you want at your own leisure, and bring weekly mentor sessions and a mentor-driven Discord community taught in an interactive fashion by actual experts. It's a real-life university interactive experience on the internet, and any questions you might have are actually put out into a kind of Discord-based group where you are able to solve it in real time. Now, one question I'm sure a lot of you have is, well, I have a lower end PC. All you will need for this course is a basic laptop with GTX 1650 and Ryzen 5. Of course, if you have any other questions, you can contact me on my social handles below. I look forward to meeting you guys and onboarding you into this new world. Bye!